Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is 14th of October, Tuesday, expiry for Nifty. So yesterday market was in range and today I was hoping that Nifty would give a movement, maybe upward, maybe downward, but Nifty would move today. So this is the first candle and it opened in green. The second candle went to try to give a breakout from the first candle high, but it couldn't. Then this red candle formed, then this red candle formed, and by the time Nifty was here, I was pretty sure that it would go downwards, but suddenly it broke the second part and a rapid fall came. And I should have entered here, but anyways, I was thinking that maybe it would be in this range for 1.5 hour, and since today's expiry, I would lose a lot of money. So this is my first trade. So I entered in this candle here at 243 and 255. So 12 point was my stop loss. I entered in this candle, but it was going down, again coming up, again going down. It was doing this, but suddenly it broke the my stop loss, but somehow it again came down and closed below. So when this candle was here at this point, it was showing me 800 rupees loss. I was thinking of booking it, but then I thought that it is not likely that it will repeat again what happened yesterday, that it will go here. So I waited for some time, and then later it came down and closed here. And then a second candle formed, and suddenly it came till here, and I exited. Actually, I exited here. I exited below before my target, 231. So 43, 31, 12 point, 12.1 is to 1 target. Yeah. So I exited at second candle because by the time it is making a greenish move, my profit is going away. And then consecutive two candles fell. So anyways, and if I would have held it, then till the time it came here, I would have made a profit. But anyways, it's all part of the game. Then this candle happened. This doji appeared. Then this spring top appeared. I entered here at a P trade, and I would have exited in this candle only, but Nifty was consolidating for too long. Then suddenly it came down. I saw profit. I booked a profit of 600 rupees here. Here I booked a profit of 100 or 200 rupees. And I exited, and immediately after exited, Nifty came down till here. So anyways, I missed this part, but I captured 198, 192. So 6-7 point I captured in the index, which is good. Then I missed this fall. Then again I was watching here. It was making a green candle here, and then it closed in a doji, and this fall came. So I watched the fall, then this candle appeared and it was like this only. So I knew that it won't go much. So I gave a bid of 25 100p, and after this closing of this candle, I bid it at a price of 30. It didn't appear. I bid a price of 35, and it got exited here at this point, but it closed in green. So again, it was showing me a loss, but I held on to it, and this was my stop loss. And suddenly, it started falling. By the time it reached here, I exited, but if I would have held it 30 or 40 seconds more, I would have made more profit. But anyway, so 3 trades today, all in profit. Yesterday my losses were 600 something, and today I started trading with 400 rupees because they took the maintenance annual AMC charges of 250 something. So from 5,000 it came to 4,000, and today my profit is 1,200. So it's almost same as my capital. And if today was not a expiry day, then I would have definitely held my trade here. I would have bought here, and since I would have held it quietly, and this was my stop loss, and I would have definitely held it till here. Maybe this was a support zone. So from here till here, I would have held it 128, 240. So 100 points I would have definitely captured today, maybe more. I don't know, but since today is expiry and expiries are very risky for me, I'm not good at expiry, so that is the reason I took very short timed trades, which did make me some profit, but I'm not happy with the profit. I would have been more I'm more interested in improving my trades, improving my strategy, improving my psychology. So improving my psychology is the most important thing for me right now. So capital loss recovered, capital protected, but this 5,000 I need to make it 10,000. Then that 10,000 I need to make it to 20,000. So this is my target till now. So let's see what happens. And that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm not sure what will happen, but if I get momentum, I'll try to hold for a I will try to hold for a longer period. So this is a daily chart, and daily chart it is also M pattern, double top here. So in case tomorrow this low gets broken here, then 25,022 or 25,000, which is a big psychological support, and if this gets broken, then I'll try to hold it. So let's see what happens, where the market goes tomorrow, or maybe it will go up. It will make a doji here, and then day after tomorrow it will go up. So let's see. I'll make the analysis tomorrow morning, and yeah, I'll wait and see what happens. So that's it for now. See you guys tomorrow, and keep crunching those numbers, guys.